All right, it looks like chaos in front of me, I know. To me, though, it's organized since I know I have to make some black bean salsa later for dinner. I'm going to, mess up the cutting board. Might as well cut the ingredients that I need for that. I have to make food for the dogs. So everything is like a mishmash. But first, I need to feed myself. And we're going to have a little story time with this one because this is how one sad random tomato turned into this dish. Because I forgot about it. I looked at it and automatically, boom, a dish popped into my brain that my mom used to make when I was a kid. Funny how food does that. Like one ingredient can trigger a whole ass freaking memory. So I knew what I was doing with it, but I needed to get a green bell pepper. That's why I had to stop at ShopRite. I really don't get green ones. I don't know why. I don't care for them that much, but for this dish, I needed a green one. So the flavor notes, like the puzzle of the dish comes together. It needed to be this way. That's how my mom made it. So quick history 101. What I'm making is called Menemen. It's basically the Turkish cousin of shakshuka. If you don't know what that is, think about eggs in Purgatory. Same vibes. Tomatoes, peppers, eggs simmering in a pan. Every culture has their version. You could have this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner whenever you want something comforting. Get some nice crusty bread and dig in. Better yet, challenge yourself to make the focaccia because I'm going to be toasting this up for this egg dish. So I'm going to make like a little visual video of how to make it, but it's scrambled eggs with, sauteed peppers, onions, tomato. I'm going to throw in some fresh parsley in it because, fresh herbs, the magic that it does. I love scallions. I have a jalapeno. So I'm taking the classic Turkish dish and I'm giving it my spin. That's what cooking's about. Learn your ingredients, take what you love, and then experiment with other flavors and create something new. Because guess what? A recipe is just that. It's like a guide. You take it and then you put your spin on it and you make it your own. So I hope I'm inspiring somebody out there to get in the kitchen and start cooking. So tap back to see the full recipe and how to make this dish. And I gave a little clue as to what I'm making later for dinner. I'm going to share the black bean salsa and actually what I'm going to be doing with it. Because once again, I'm taking the leftover roasted corn and the black beans from that potato salad that I made yesterday. I was lazy. I didn't chop the cilantro so that, that's like on my list of things to prep. So I'm prepping this dish and dinner. So later on, it's not going to be this chaotic mess. Everything's going to be ready and I'm just going to like dump it in and rock and roll. So tap back in. They give gold stars. Give me a like, give me a comment, give me a follow. Let me know where this is reaching. And better yet, follow the rabbit hole because all my content goes to YouTube. So subscribe to my channel there. And hopefully I'll see you back for, what else I'm making.